Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you guys another super quick and easy dinner recipe. Today I'll be sharing with you my Instant Pot Mongolian chicken. For this recipe, you will need 2 chicken breasts tossed in 1/4 cup of cornstarch. You will also need 3/4 cup of teriyaki sauce, water, and some brown sugar. And you will need 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, as well as 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then simply add everything into your Instant Pot. Once everything is in, go ahead and give it a good mix. Then you are going to put the lid on the Instant Pot and make sure that it is on sealing and not venting. Then you are going to use the manual button and set it for a 5-minute cook time with a 10-minute slow release. Alright guys, so that is it for this recipe. If you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you join me on my YouTube journey. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.